ChuChu TV! Hey, Mr. Harlow!
Hey, my friends! I'm so glad to see you! It's a field trip day!
Where to, Mr. Harlow?
I'm going to keep it a surprise for now.
Yay! Let's go!
I'm going to walk you through the farm.
What might we find on the farm, Mr. Harlow?
There will be a lot of vegetables on the farm.
Wow! There are so many eggs! These plants are all tied up.
They are called vines, my friends. Now, let's see what vegetables are here.
Let's open them all.
Okay, let's cast our magic spell.
ChuChu!
Surprise!
Yellow eggs! Orange eggs! Yellow eggs! Green eggs! Maroon eggs! Green eggs!
Surprise!
Wow!
That's a pumpkin. Can you say it with me?
Pumpkin! Wow!
Have you ever seen a pumpkin before?
Oh, yeah! During Halloween! There were big and scary ones.
Let's collect a few of them.
Wow! That's a rabbit! Woohoo! Let's go to the next one!
Surprise!
Yay!
That's a cucumber. Shall we all say it again?
Cucumber! Wow!
Wow! There are so many cucumbers on this vine. Let's collect a few of them.
Come on! Let's go to the next one!
Surprise!
Wow!
It's a pea pod. Shall we all say it again?
Pea pod! Wow! What is inside this pea pod, Mr. Harlow?
There are many little peas inside this pea pod. Shall we open a pod and look inside?
Wow!
Let's collect a few of them.
Ready for the next one?
Surprise!
Ooh, what's that?
It's a snake gourd. Shall we all say it again?
Snake gourd! Wow!
Do you know why it's called the snake gourd?
Maybe because they hang down like snakes?
That's right! Let's collect a few of them.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
Surprise!
Wow!
It's a green bean. Shall we all say it again?
Green bean! Wow!
Oh yeah! Look how they hang in bunches. Let's run around and collect a few.
Hey! Thank you! Okay, now for the last one of the day. Let's go!
Surprise!
Wow!
It's a bottle gourd. Shall we all say it again?
Bottle gourd! Wow!
Can you guess why it's called the bottle gourd?
Is it because they're shaped like bottles?
You're right! Let's run around and collect a few. I had fun learning with you, my friends. We learned the names of a bunch of vegetables that grow on vines. Shall we say them all again?
Oh yeah! Let's go! Pumpkin! Cucumber! Peapod! Snake gourd! Green bean! Bottle gourd!
Great work, my friends! But now it's getting dark and it's time to go home. So long, my friends!